Welcome. If you want to change gestures sensitivity in your Nokia XR20, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, scroll down for accessibility. Right now scroll down again and you have to pick system navigation. Right now for sure we have to go for this settings icon, and as you can see right now when we are here we can set up higher or lower sensitivity of our gestures. Of course, to use that option you have to switch to the gesture navigation, and after that when you are going to make that change with the switcher on the right and the left side you will find this blue highlight, and that's how our sensitivity is going to change. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.